Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Potion for Learning. Today I'm going to teach you easy and amazing bindi pasting activities that you can try easily at home. The first activity we have is flower making activity. For this you require 4 similar color bindis which you need to stick quite closer to each other, and one different color bindi which will stick in the middle, and the flower is ready. And now I'm going to draw a stem, a leaf and 2 leaves. A flower is ready. This is an outline of cherry and we are going to stick the red paper bindi on the cherry. First we'll apply glue, spread it equally, and then we'll start sticking paper bindi on the cherry. Why paper bindi? Because I did not have red color bindi, enough red or green color bindi, so I used green and red paper and punched them with the punching machine. That's how I got lots of bindi. You can try this idea at home also. So why cherry and why not apple? Because every time you ask your kid what is red, they tend to say it is an apple or tomato. So just to add a new vocabulary or new word to your child's vocabulary, I have used cherry. So this activity will increase the focus power of your child, imagination power and the color recognitions. So we will paste the green color bindi on leaf also. So here we begin. And so our 2 red cherries with 1 green leaf is ready. The next activity is bindi pasting on the tree. These are the bindis and we are going to stick it on the trees. We are going to use only red bindis. So you can either peel the bindis for your kids if they are too small to do so, or else you can let them peel. So let your children paste the bindi anywhere they want, but only on the tree. It will increase their imagination power. And so here is our apple tree. The next activity that we have is bindi pasting on the balloon. For this activity you can either make dots for your kids and tell them to paste the bindi on those particular dot, or else ask them to paste anywhere on the balloon, and you can ask them to use colorful bindis to stick on the balloon. And once they finish sticking, you can ask what are the colors of the bindis sticked in the balloon. This will help in color recognitions of the children. So the next activity that we have is bindi pasting on number 5. You can also try this activity with any other numbers and alphabets. But why number 5? Because children, they get confused when they make 5. Okay, so instead of writing the left curve, they tend to write right curve while making 5. So if your child get confused with any other numbers and alphabets like this, you can try this activity, because children, they never forget when they play and learn. So there are procedures for writing alphabets and numbers. You need to follow the activity just the way you write the numbers. For example, while making 5, first we make sleeping line. So we have stick the bindi on the sleeping line, and now we are going to stick bindi on the standing line. So we have stick the bindi on the standing line, and now time for curve. Left curve. So here you should also allow your child to peel the bindis. It will improve their motor skills. It will give them the sense of responsibility as well as sense of achievement when they are able to peel the bindis, and it will give them the liberty to do certain things on their own. If you like my video, please share it, like it and subscribe it. For more videos are coming soon. Thank you for watching Potion for Learning.